Most people think making KDP coloring books is easy, but here's the truth. Making KDP coloring books is actually easier than it ever has been before. With AI, almost anyone can create one in minutes. But where most self-publishers get stuck isn't the creation process, it's actually the ideation process. So today, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 unique KDP coloring book ideas and niches that you can actually self-publish today using AI. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Alright, now the first niche we're going to be taking a look at here is going to be the realistic animals coloring book niche. Now, if we look here through the Fuse free books, we can see that there are a ton of self-published books here from a whole bunch of different authors. We click on this one right here, this one with 89 reviews, and we scroll all the way down to the bottom. We can see that this one is actually independently published and has a BSR of 29,000, which is actually really great for a self-published coloring book. And if we take a look at the pages, we can see that the pages are very likely to be AI generated. These look like super AI. I highly doubt a human made these. And luckily, we could very easily recreate this using AI. So let's go ahead and recreate our own realistic animals coloring book. Now to do that, all we're going to do is we're going to come into Lapel AI and we're going to come over to the coloring books tool and we're going to click create new book. And then we're going to start entering in our book details. So I'm going to call this book Realistic Jungle Animals, and then I'm going to have the book description be generated by AI. Go ahead and accept that there. Then for the art style, I'm going to specifically choose the realistic art style because that's what's going to match the style I want the closest. Then for the number of pages, I'm going to increase this to 40 pages. And then for the book trim size, I'm actually going to turn this up to 8.5 by 11 because that'll make a little bit more sense for the book we're trying to go for. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click generate coloring book. So now I'm just going to wait for the book to finish generating and I'll come right back to you guys once it's done. And just like that, guys, our coloring book is finished. Realistic Jungle Animals just finished. As we can see, the pages actually look really nice. I like this tiger one. The first one looks really nice. Second one here, I love the parrots. Here we have some elephants, and as we can see, one great thing about LitPal's coloring book generator is just how great the images come out. If we look at this coloring page right here, we can see the reflection of the animals in the water, which is an effect that you can't really get with a lot of different AIs. A lot of AIs tend to have trouble generating reflections in images, but LitPal has handled it very well in this image here. But anyways, that's our realistic jungle animals coloring book. Alright, now the next niche we're going to be taking a look at here is going to be the animal dot-to-dot coloring book niche. And as we can see here, we also have a lot of self-publishers publishing here. And if we scroll down, we can see some that seem pretty popular, like this one right here, Dinosaurs Dot Markers Activity Book. If we go ahead and click on this one right here, and we scroll all the way to the bottom to find the book details, we can actually see that this one, again, is at a 40,000 BSR, which is really great for a self-published book. Generally, anything below 80,000 is doing pretty well on Amazon. And as we can see here, the pages are actually really simple. They just have a little animal creature or a little dinosaur, and then they have the little circles inside of them. And luckily, this is another really simple thing we can create using AI. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create coloring books just like this one that have the specific dot-to-dot pattern in them using AI. Because you don't actually have to do any of the graphic design for books like this yourself. So anyways, all I'm going to do is I'm going to come back into LitPal. I'm going to go ahead and click create new book in the top left. I'm going to call my book Mythical Creatures, and then I'm going to have the book description generated by AI. I'll click accept there, and then I'm going to click on the see additional styles button here inside LitPal, and I'm going to click on the dot markers section right here. Then for the number of pages, I'm going to increase this to 40 pages, and then I'll have the book trim size set to 8.5 by 8.5, and then for the line thickness, I'm gonna have this set to medium again, and I'll click generate coloring book. So anyways, I'm just gonna wait for the coloring book to finish generating, and I'll come right back to you guys once it's done. And just like that, guys, our Mythical Creatures themed coloring book is finished with our fill in the dot style. And as we can see, they came out looking really nice. We have these various nice looking coloring pages here. I like this mermaid right here. That looks cool. Here we have a market. That's interesting. Here we have a turtle with some houses on it. And it's come up with a lot of very interesting different creatures. This one looks like it's like a hippogriff or something from Harry Potter. I think that's really interesting. But for now, it's a pretty nice looking fill the dot coloring book. And a little kid would definitely be very happy with this coloring book. Alright, now the next niche we're going to be taking a look at in here is the anime coloring book niche. Now this is something that's really been popular on Amazon over the last couple of years, and there are a ton of anime themed coloring books and a whole bunch of different sub niches you can actually go into. If we click here on this one, anime anime coloring book for teens, kids, and manga lovers. You can see this one has 155 reviews. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we can see this one is doing very well at 33,000 BSR. And again, this one is also independently published, which means that someone actually self-published this book, and it's actually doing pretty good. And if we look at the pages themselves, they're all very, very simple, all very thin line art of different anime characters, and this is likely being targeted at a younger audience. Now, luckily, guys, it's super easy to create anime-themed coloring books using AI. You don't need any special software. In fact, there's literally a built-in setting for it inside of LitPal AI. I'm going to call this book Adventure. And then I'm going to have the AI generate the description. Then I'm going to click on the little anime setting right here, and I'm going to increase the number of pages to 30 pages. I'll make sure that the anime style is selected here. I'm going to have the line thickness set to thin. And the reason why I'm specifically doing thin for this anime themed coloring book is if we look at our competitors, generally in the anime style, people are buying books with thinner lines because that just matches the aesthetic a little bit more. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click generate coloring book. Alright, so our anime adventures themed coloring book is now finished, and as we can see, it's come up with a lot of very nice looking anime themed pictures here. These look pretty good, all in the same anime style. I like this little robot one right here. I think had my prompt been better, we probably could have gotten a better result. I was very, very broad with our prompt in that I only said adventures. But if I had actually given a more specific prompt, I probably could have gotten better results. If you did something like pirates themed or animals themed, you probably could have gotten something better. But I'm really happy with how this one anime robot scene came out. I kind of like that, where it's like the cave and the aliens. I think this is very interesting. But anyways, guys, let's just get on to the next book. All right, now the next niche we're going to be taking a look at here is the food coloring book niche. Now, there's a ton of different niches and sub niches you can actually find within the food coloring book niche because it's actually very, very broad. You can go into things like food and snacks, comfort food, different foods from around the world. And we even see that there are some coloring books for foods around the world, like this one right here, Japanese Food Cute and Easy Coloring Book, which specifically goes into various different Japanese foods. So there's a lot of different ways you can take this niche, get creative with it, and make something interesting. If I click on this one right here, Mexican Treats, Bold and Easy Coloring Book, and I scroll all the way to the bottom, we can see that this book is at 48,000 BSR, which is pretty good for a self-published coloring book. And again, this one is also independently published. And if we look at the coloring pages, we can see that they're super, super basic, just basic little Mexican foods. And I'm actually going to show you guys exactly how we can create a coloring book using the exact same style here in literally a few minutes using AI. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come back inside LitPal AI. I'm going to click Create New Book, and I'm going to call my book Chinese Food Coloring Book. And then for the description, I'm going to click Generate with AI, and I'm just going to have the AI generate it for me. And then for the art style, this is where we have to get very specific. It's very important that if you want to replicate the same style as that last Mexican food coloring book, what you're going to do is you're going to select single element right here. And this style is what's going to get us that really nice looking single element style we saw in some other food themed coloring books. For the number of pages, I'm just going to increase this to 40 pages because that's pretty standard for this niche. I'll have the book trim size set to 8.5 by 8.5. For the line thickness, I'll keep this on medium, and then I'm just going to click Generate Coloring Book. And just like that, guys, our Chinese food themed coloring book has just finished up. And honestly, this one looks super beautiful. I mean, look at how this first page came out. It looks just like that other food themed coloring book where it was like the simple image in the middle with nothing else in the background. It looks really, really beautiful. I don't know what this is called, but it looks like a beautiful dish. Here we have like some dumplings, another really great image here. Here you have some other cool images as well. I really like this one right here with the pan and the noodles. I like these fortune cookies right here. I think this is a really cool pattern that the AI has come up with. But anyways, guys, let's just get on to the next book. All right, now the last niche we're going to be taking a look at here is the Christian mandala coloring book niche. Now, mandala coloring books have been something that's been pretty popular among self-publishers over the last few years. And it's because you can pretty easily create them using AI and various different tools, but the generic mandala coloring book niche is a little bit saturated, so that's why it's important for you to find sub niches that you can tap into. So for example, I went ahead and searched up the Christian mandala coloring book niche, and as we can see here, there are several different Christian themed mandala coloring books for sale right now. Now the mandala niche is something you can create for a lot of different niches, so you just have to get creative with how you position your mandalas. Some of these authors here have decided to position theirs in the Christian niche, but depending on what your interests are, you can always take the same mandala coloring book niche and apply it elsewhere. Now, to create a mandala themed coloring book, it's actually really easy to do. You're going to click create new book. And then for my mandala coloring book, I think I want to create one about flowers. So I'm going to make a flower themed one. I'm going to have the book description generated by AI. And then for the art style, I'm going to select the mandala style right here specifically. And then for the number of pages, I'm just going to go ahead and select 20 pages. And for the book trim size, I'll do 8.5 by 11. For the line thickness, I'm going to go with thin because for mandalas, you typically want to have thinner lines. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click generate coloring book. So I'm going to wait for it to finish. I'll come right back to you guys once it's done. Alright, now the final book is finished, and as we can see here, we've created this flowers themed mandala coloring book. As we can see, it's created a lot of very interesting and intricate flower themed mandalas here. I like how these have come out, and they all seem to match the same style and shape, which is something you want to aim for when you're aiming for a coloring book that's going to be targeted at an older audience. But overall, this looks pretty good. I like this cactus themed one. The cactus theme is really interesting, especially for a flower themed coloring book. I think the AI did a really good job with the creativity here, but overall, this looks pretty nice. Now, if you guys do end up wanting to edit your coloring book for whatever reason, it's actually really easy. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can edit your coloring books as quickly as possible inside of LitPal. So let's say, for example, inside this Chinese food themed coloring book, I want to change out this image right here. Let's say for whatever reason I don't like the broccoli in this image. Let's say I want to get rid of it. All I got to do is I got to come down here to the prompt bar, and I'm just going to tell the AI, hey AI, please remove the broccoli from this image. I'll send that over, and I'm going to click the little purple edit button right here, and then I'm going to wait a few seconds, and the AI is actually going to redo our image here. It's going to remove the broccoli from the image. It's going to make it look a lot nicer. And just like that, guys, the broccoli has been removed from the image in just a few seconds, and you can use that basic technique across all your coloring books to make minor edits and refinements here and there. And you can also even attach reference photos using the little reference photo image button right here to add references into your image if you'd like. You guys can create a lot of very beautiful looking coloring books inside of LitPal AI. There's so many different styles to choose from, and there are so many different interesting aesthetics and niches you can go after inside of Amazon KDP. You just have to find the idea that resonates with you the most, and you'll be able to create some beautiful looking coloring books. If you went into ChatGPT or Gemini and tried to prompt for this entire book, it would take you forever. But inside LitPal, the style is all consistent across the pages. The images just look beautiful and clean. And this coloring book right here overall just looks so amazing. Now, of course, when you want to go ahead and export your book, all you have to do is click on the purple export PDF button in the top right corner, or download the pages individually, and you'll have a print-ready coloring book you can publish to Amazon. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys have ideas for the next videos you guys want me to make, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to check them out. Also, please subscribe. I want to get to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and it would really mean the world if you went ahead and subscribed. Also, if you guys want to create coloring books as quickly as possible, go ahead and check out litpal.ai. I'll leave it as the top link in the description. But anyways, guys, as always, stay excellent.